It's a good day. We got sunlight.
Then, nung nalaman ko, syempre, yun, overjoyed. Halo-halo yung expression. Di ko siya ma-explain, pero yun nga, halo-halong saya na, basta yun, saya. Then, yung una kong narinig yung heartbeat ni Linus dun sa mas lalo pa akong naging masaya na todo. Then, nung lumabas si Linus, yun, nung narinig ko yung iyak niya, syempre, as a father, di mo na mamano na tumulo yung luha mo nung mga panahon yun dahil sa saya.
Give it up for Mommy Chris, Daddy Christian, and our birthday boy, Linus Aaron! Clap your hands! Come on guys, parinig naman ang sa palakpakan!
We could live in the moment, and every sunrise, looking out, we see it all with fresh eyes. There's a hope that you can take with the dawn of a new day. We got everything beneath the feet.
Pinapaalala ng ating simbahang Katolika na every time a baby is being born, he or she commits or already bears the guilt of sin. Meron lagi siyang kasalanan. And this sin is what we call the original sin, because of the sins committed by our first parents, Adam and Eve. But there is only one thing that can remove this original sin from our soul. It is through the sacrament of baptism. Linus Aiden, I baptize you in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Linus, mahal na mahal ka namin ni Daddy. Gusto kong maging successful ka in the future and maging mabuting bata ka, and huwag kang mahiyang magsabi sa amin ni Daddy mo. Lahat gagawin namin para ma-provide yung mga needs mo, and magkaroon ka lang ng takot sa Diyos, and marespeto, mapagmahal, and lahat ng gagawin mo sa buhay, susuportahan ka namin kasi mahal na mahal ka namin. Ikaw yung nagbigay ng lakas at nagbigay ng saya sa buhay namin ni Daddy. I love you, anak.
Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up. Run for adventure, make it run free. Days we'll remember with the world to see.
Ito yung naging lakas ni Mami nung mga panahong malungkot ako. Thank you, anak. Thank you at mahal na mahal ka namin ni Daddy.
Sa amin lang naman is okay kami na kahit anong gusto mo, susubukan namin kayanin lahat ng needs mo. And then tulad nga rin ng lagi sinasabi, as long as lahat ng paglaki mo, kahit gagawin namin, basta ikakabuti mo. Then yun lang, maging mabait kang tao at basta yun. Alam mo na yun?